So in this video we will design the 2D bridge in InfoWorks ICM. Alright, so let's see.
We have created 2D model.
First
Now
of all,
we are
we
going
have
to
to
introduce the
we have already prepared the 2D model.
here.
Now we are going to just
select the line, then
introduce the
create the
2D
center
bridge.
line where you are going
First
to
of all,
provide.
you need to
First
create the
click,
line, select the lines
then
over
double
here.
click.
Then you need to
It
create
will be baseline. First you need to create
lines.
the baseline.
First of all, you need to
Base
create the
linear
baseline,
structure 2D.
base linear structure 2D.
You can put the
So
name
over here,
baseline.
base line. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Over here, as you can see,
this
red
one.
red
Select
line,
the baseline. Go to the
red
model
flag is
and update the
showing. So you
model.
have to update the
We have already selected the ground
cross
model.
section
Otherwise, you need to just drag out
elevation.
or select the ground model and then click
So
it,
just
and your
update it
baseline
and
has
close
been
it.
updated.
Okay, now you just
need
need
to
to
go
go
back
to
to
your
your
properties and let's review.
properties and see that
This is the cross section has
the
been updated.
cross section of your
Okay, so we have this cross section. Now we are going to just
baseline structure. Okay.
propose 2D bridge over here.
So
Okay, so first of all,
for this one, you just need
you
to
have to
copy
select
this
all
one.
one and you need to copy
Copy, select the entire
all
line with
data
add,
table and then
go
paste
to
in
the
Excel.
table, paste it in Excel.
Okay,
Okay.
that's good.
Then go back
Okay,
over here.
over here.
Then
Now
you
you
need to
just need to create the base
again
linear bridge linear
line
to
bridge
structure
line
2D.
bridge linear
Okay,
structure
over here just
2D.
create line structure.
That should be parallel to the flow. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, type the name 2D bridge. Okay, yeah. Sorry, we have just we didn't select the 2D bridge. We have to delete this one. We have to delete this one because we have selected base linear structure. That's not. We need to select the base linear to bridge linear structure. Now we need to create again. So it is change the bridge linear structure 2D. Okay, so 2D bridge over here. Just click OK. Yeah, over here the red flag is showing, so you need to select the base linear. That's the name of the baseline. Okay, which you can see over here. Yeah, this is the length of the baseline, so we have to select the bridge length also same as. Okay, so just paste it over there. Total length and start length will be 0. Okay, yeah, just put the level 160 meter because as you can see the bottom elevation of this cross section is 163 meter. Okay, so we are going to put the base level of the bridge is 160 meter so that our cross section will be visualized efficiently. Yeah, over here we need to provide the opening heights and deck thickness and pier location. Okay, yeah, that's it. Just that's it. Now as you can see over here 2D bridge base has been come, and whenever you will put your bridge deck and pier, so you will see in that profile. Okay, so yeah, you just need to close this one and then we need to introduce the elevation. So we are going to put the elevation at this the length is 1000 meter. Okay, for example, we are just going to put the piers at 250 meters, at 500 meters, and at 750 meters. Just three piers we are going to introduce. Okay, for the exercise, but you have to go through the as per the standards. Okay, so like this you have to just introduce the piers station. So we are going to put 5 meter wide pier. Okay, so we have this station was coming 250 meters, so that you need to just select that station and insert the row. In it will automatically find the coordinates and median coordinates between the your station. Okay, same thing we have to do the 500. As you can see, 498 and 402 is there, so we have to introduce two row at the above. Okay, and change the station name. Okay, then yeah, put it 500 over here and 505. Okay, as you can see, it should become as a sequence number, not as this number is rising and going to be increasing and decreasing. Okay, it should become in a sequence form. Yeah, this is 500, 750, 755. Okay, three pairs we have introduced. Yeah, this one. Okay, next, yeah, over here we are just missed, otherwise we don't need this one. Yeah, you can just minus it, so you can find out that elevation, how much elevation is above from your bridge base. So over here, yeah, right, just need to copy it. Okay, now we just need to introduce the location of the piers over here. That thing we have done in InfoWorks ICM. So same thing we have to introduce the piers station values. Okay, just same thing for 500. Put to yes, for 750. Yes, now we need to copy. Okay, just paste it over here. So as you can see, this kind of profile is appearing, but you have to provide the opening height. You just need to put the data of your deck and piers over here. So we are going to select just that is coming around 200 meter above from the bottom of the bridge. So we are going to put 200 meter height of the opening. Okay, 200 meter is not possible by physical by structurally, so it's just example. Okay, we have just good construction, we are just putting this value. Always it will be 10 meter, 20 meter. Okay, 200 meters pier is not possible to construct. Okay, so we are just going to put one common elevation, one state. Yeah, this one. Send, select whole column, right click and set value 200 meter. Okay, let's put 200. Yeah, because 200 meters very high, very high, so that's why you can't put this one. Over here we are just going to put the same thickness throughout that one. Put it 5 meter thickness. Okay, so this is the bridge deck we have defined it. Now we are going to put elevation at 200. We just need to put 0. 0 is the that bottom elevation of the uh, uh, bottom elevation. That means 160 meter. That bottom elevation of piers. Over here we need to provide the 205 over here. Okay, so your piers will attach over that point. Okay, same thing as you did in Hackrass. It is also same thing. It is also the same as. Okay, there's nothing difference. Yeah, right over here is 205. Okay, as you can see, this is the piers we have introduced. 205, 205. Okay, just click OK. Yeah. Now you just need to see that our base linear structure. This is the profile of your bridge. Okay, these are piers and these are the openings over here. Okay, these are things we have to do. Yeah, now try to validate your network. Yeah, click on validate. So as you can see, these two types of error is happening. So because we didn't recalculate the mesh, so we have to recalculate the mesh. Click on model and SN2 job. Click OK. You have to select the ground model over here and then just click OK. Okay, so this your mesh will be ready within a minute. Okay, just wait. So mesh is ready. You just need to click on mesh ready, then click on that and load mesh. Okay, and then you have to load the mesh. Again you need to revalidate the, so there's no error, so your model is perfect now. Okay, yes, you just need to type the your run 2D river model with bridge. You need to select your save as your model. Okay, then then you need to come back to your run simulation and put it your drag out your network over here, change the simulation duration or whatever you want to design it accordingly. You can fix it. I have just 2 hours data, inflow data, then that's why I'm selecting for 2 hours. Okay, we need to check the inflow. Okay, I have already shown you this one how to assign the inflow. You need to review my previous video. I have designed it for 2D modeling. Okay, it's this is not profile, I think. Need to close, need to check this one, check this property is inflow. Oh no, this is not. Yeah, 2D one, just need to check this one. Yeah, inflow, that is this one is this one, because we have first of all we need to check the 2D inflow boundary. What's the inflow boundary? It is over there. Okay, over here just need to put over the exit. Okay, and then click on run simulation. Okay, it will take little bit time to run, so then just need to review and have just pause the video. That's why it is have done, and I'm just opening the results. Okay, just maximize the results. Click on the maximize and you can see over here. So okay, this is the select the 2D bridge. Okay, and right click and select the graph, select the bridge, click on flow. So as you can see, this is the hydrograph that is appearing. This much amount is passing. Okay, so this is the 2D model. Okay, yeah, that's very nice. Okay, as you can see over here, this is the maximum flow 1775.066 cubic meter per second, that is flow is passing through this bridge. Okay, yeah, so you have to make it accordingly. Just try to review 3D is possible or not over here. I think that's not going to work. Just close this one. Okay, for a moment it's not visible, but you can go. Oh, what's the thing that is coming again? You can just take out your ground model and you can see over here. Okay, so this is your inflow. Okay, so you can think and do your work over here. Okay, just see that opening inflow, it is possible or not. Yeah, graph, berries, opening flow, it will be same as, yeah, that is the same as, there's nothing difference, because the opening is also the peak flow of the bridge. Or you can visualize visualize the depth by creating the result section line, and so you can see what is the highest depth, or what is the highest velocity at there. As the same thing as you did in as you do in haircraft. It is the same thing. There's nothing much difference. Okay, yeah, this, yeah, just try to click on the line creation tool that is over there, yeah, new offset, and try to, no, because we have assigned the boundary line to like this way, so the everything we have to draw like this way. If you are drawing the assigning the inflow like this way, then you have to assign the everything like that way. Select that section line and go to result section, go to graph, then you can click on highest depth along line. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, the highest depth that is coming over here at this time. Okay, this is the way you can do it. All right, thank you.